Okay, so this is a dry weather bag. Comes with a strap. We've got the flooring at the bottom of the bag, so I'm going to whack that in there. Put something big to fill out the bag. And then, to make sure we've got some skin in the game, MacBook, find out how waterproof this is. So from there, put it together like that. You're then going to roll the bag over and get the Velcro to touch the Velcro like that. Then you grab the straps, do it up nice and tight. Open it up. Completely dry on the inside. That's fine. That's a big win. And the little bag looking dry.